Hello everyone, good morning. Myself G. Satvika, I am studying in 10th standard from Alpha School of Genex High School, Vavilalapalli, Karimnagar. I am here to present you the topic square roots. First of all, I thank Barosa for giving me a great opportunity. And these square roots are very important for the calculation of statistics. The tricks and the steps of the square roots are used to solve the problems in a simplest and the easiest way. So for the explanation I have taken two examples. One is 2-digit numbers and another is 3-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers are from 10 to 99 and 3-digit numbers are from 100 to 999. So I have taken the example in 2-digit numbers as 87 whole square. The 87 whole square is equal to 7569. This value we can get by following this procedure. There are three steps. Those are step number 1. We have to take the squares of ones digit number and tens digit number. Here ones digit number is 7. So 7 square is 49. We have written here. Then 8 square, tens digit number. 8 square is 64. We have written here. By combining these both, you keep aside. Then now step 2. We have to multiply the three numbers. Those three numbers are tens digit number, ones digit number with 2. As we have written here square roots, square indicates 2. As we have taken here 2, we have to multiply with 2. So 8 into 7 into 2, we get 112. This 112 number should be denoted here by writing like this. So we should not write any number in the place of ones digit. So this 2 number should be added. If we add these two numbers, we get 7569. This 7569 value is the square root of the whole square of 87. So 87 whole square is equals to 7569. So I am going to 3-digit numbers. Hope you understand. So I have taken the example 987 whole square. This 987 is nearer to a fixed value 1000. The fixed values are examples such as 1000, 950, 650, 900 like that. Okay. So it is nearer to the value 1000, a fixed value. So to achieve 1000, 987 we should add 13 to 987 to get 1000. So as we add 13, we should also subtract the 13 from that number. So if we add 13 number to this number, we get 1000. If we subtract 13 from 987, we get 974. We should write like this by multiplication. Okay. Then step number 2. Denominator. Denominator should only denote by 10, either 10, either 100, or 1000. So here we have taken 1000. Why? Because we have here 4 digits. If we have here 3 digits, we only denote 100. So as having 4 digits, we denote 1000. Okay. So here 1000 get cancels. The remaining number will be 974. Now step number 3. The step number 3 is, as we added 13, as we subtracted 13, we should take the square of 13. Now I will say about the 13 square. Now I am explaining how we get 13 square for that problem. So we have to take the square of 3. 3 square is 9. But we have to consider here 0, 9. Tens digit number also should be considered as 0 in this case. And 1 square is 1. In like this problem I am doing here. So the next step is we have to multiply the three numbers. 1's digit number, 10's digit and with square. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we have to denote like this and 6. If we add the number, we get 169. Therefore the value of 13 square is 169. As we get the value of 13 square is equal to 169, we have to write like this aside. After writing aside, we have denoted here 3 zeros. As we have 3 zeros, we have to denote here 3 digits of 169. As 169 has only 3 digits, we have to write in this form. So we get the value of 987 whole square is equals to 9,74,169. Thank you.